Welcome back to cleardesk.ai. I'm going to demonstrate the molarity calculator. So this is a fantastic calculator, and what basically it is that it simplifies complex conversions between mass, volume, and molar concentration. Okay, so understanding what is molarity and then how does it work is simply whether you can calculate the protein molarity or the mg ml. It depends on whatever calculation. So I'm going to go ahead and directly demonstrate so you know exactly how this calculator works. So what we've done is we have mass, we have volume, and then we have the molecular weight. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and just enter a standard mass. Say for example mass is 95 and the volume is 8, and then the molecular weight is say 159, and then I can either calculate the mass or I can calculate the molarity. So I'm going to go ahead and click on calculate, and the results are right here. So it gives you the molarity, that's 0.0747 m, the mass is 95 mg, and then the concentration is 11.88 mg per ml. So the solution containing 95 milligrams of a compound with molecular weight of 159 grams per mol in 8 ml has a molarity of 0.0747 m. So very simple, very effective. And say for example, if you need to calculate the mass with the same values, let's say mass is 95, volume is 8, and the molecular weight is 159. So if I calculate mass, it asks me the molarity, right? So I need to specify the molarity itself. So let's say if I do 1.7, click OK, and boom, it's going to give me the mass as well. So now I've specified the molarity, which is 1.7 m. The mass it calculated as 2162.40 mg milligrams, and then the concentration is 270.30. So likewise, if I do not know the mass, for example, let's delete it. There's another way of doing it. The volume is 9, say for example, and then the molecular weight is 170, and I can calculate the mass as well. And again, it brings up a pop-up box. I can specify the molarity because I need to specify the molarity in order to calculate the mass itself. So the molarity is 0.3, click OK, and there we go. So now it gives me the results as well. So it says 0.3 is the molarity that I've specified, and then the mass is 459 milligrams, and the concentration is 51.00 mg per ml. So I hope this helps. Let me know if you have any questions. If you need additional calculators, just go ahead and search for any calculators that you're looking for. There are thousands of calculators out there for every category. So as biology, construction, finance, and you name it. Okay. All right. So with this, let me know if you have any questions. If you can't find a calculator, by the way, just comment down below. We'll be happy to add. We continuously, every single day, add multiple calculators so that it's easy for you to work. And our AI is absolutely wonderful because we have integrated AI in every calculator. So with this, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.